Hello, my name is Preston Souza, Additive Manufacturing Product Specialist here at igus North America.
And my name is Nicole Lang, and I'm the iglide Product Manager here at igus North America. Today, Preston and I are going to talk to you about a variety of different custom options that we have available. Although we have a full standard range available in our catalog, we do realize that sometimes engineers need custom parts for their applications. For that reason, we have a whole host of different custom options available to you. Let's start with the first. So, similar to our standard injection molding process, which is how we produce most of our bearings, we also offer a one cavity that we're able to later on expand for further production or serial production parts. Traditionally, this process would take 6 to 12 weeks. We've since introduced a new fast line service, which allows for standard geometries and a certain number of materials to be available to ship from our German facility in 10 business days, so completely shortening that lead time. And again, for custom parts made off of injection molding, we're talking about production volumes that are typically 10,000 pieces and over. We also have other options available, including machining from our semi-finished product line. We recognize that not all applications meet the requirements of an injection molded part, such as quantities that typically are 10,000 and over. Machining from bar stock allows a user to machine smaller volumes out of our plate stock or our bar stock. Our bar stock is available in diameters from 10 to 100 millimeters, 1 meter in length, and our plate stock is available in a variety of sheet sizes with thicknesses from 2 to 40 millimeters. We also have plate strips available that are 160 millimeters wide. Machining from bar stock offers some advantages when it comes to tighter tolerances. So machining tolerances are able to be held and met. And we use over 30 of our standard iglide materials in our bar stock and plate stock for testing. So for quantities under 1,000 pieces, or when certain manufacturing or machining tolerances must be met, this might be an option for you. And now I'm going to turn it over to Preston, who's going to talk a little bit about some of our newest options here at igus for custom parts.
igus Tribal Printing offers a wide variety of options and materials for 3D printing with high wear resistance. We like to consider ourselves a full-service 3D print house, and what I mean by that is we are the manufacturer of the material itself. We are the distributor of the filaments and powders if you have your own in-house machines that you'd like to make use of. And we're also the 3D print service provider. You can see behind us, we're standing in front of our SLS print lab here in North America. For your lowest quantity production runs or prototyping, you might make use of our FDM filament, which is available in up to 10 different materials, 2 different diameters and 2 different spool sizes. And that helps to really find a material for the niche applications such as high temperature or chemical resistance. On the other hand, we have SLS, which is better suited for highly customized designs. You can see this worm gear in front of me here. We have materials optimized for worm gear profiles for ESD and also for FDA regulations. And there's really no design limitations with the SLS, so you can do quantities up to 500 or 1,000 pieces that would virtually not be possible with machining from bar stock or potentially injection molding. Finally, the newest member of the tribal printing family here at igus is our print to mold. And what we're doing is we are 3D printing injection molds in a number of materials, SLA, SLS, sintered metal, aluminum, and steel. And that allows us to use our standard injection molding materials in these 3D printed tools for quantities up to 5,000 or even 10,000 pieces depending on the tooling system. This allows you to use the same serial material from the very beginning of the design process all the way potentially through the serial production.
For more information, check out some of our webinars or click on the link below. And thank you for watching.